trade. That was $1,000 trade. Congratulations to everybody following along. That was such an amazing trade. Patrick, I would, yeah, 10 to 50K is a great amount. Go get your account set up on about, guys, we literally just made $1,000 and I've been live for 36 minutes. Who do you know that makes $1,000 in 36 minutes? Literally not even doctors. I make more than doctors. I have family members who are doctors that are asking me how to make money. So guys, go right now to abado.com. The link is in my bio. Get your account set up right now. Abstract is saying that was awesome. Streamline is saying way to go. Guys, if you are not doing this, you're literally wasting time. Go get your account set up on Abado. When you click your email, Queenie, we're trading Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. We just made $1,000, but I usually also trade gold and NASDAQ. I trade all of the markets. Abdul Samad also hit take profit. Otto Banu. Oh my God, guys, that's what we're here for. All right, guys. So now once you're on Abado, go and click deposit funds. Okay, remember, they're licensed and regulated. So I would be very comfortable with just putting my entire life savings in. And that's literally what I did. So I put everything in. I actually have a few accounts. I have a total of around almost $2 million with Abado across multiple accounts. Abdul Samad just made 50. Gold Dinar just made 200. Oh my God. Yes, Abstract, you can trade every single market here on Abado. Go get your account set up, click deposit funds. You could do a bank transfer or you could do a crypto, which is instant, guys, instant. So go, can you move money from Binance to Abado? Of course you can. Just click cryptocurrency and then just enter the amount here and it'll give you the wallet address for all of the different cryptocurrencies. And then you could just transfer over from Binance. Abstract, no, I do not have a funded account. This is my, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. What? Wait. Did that just happen? Did that just happen? Do you guys know what just happened? We just hit our second take profit for $1,000. Congratulations to everybody who's following along. Where else do you see this, guys? Come on. Oh my God. Where else do we make $2,000 in 36 minutes without paying a single penny? Where? Show me, and I will show you. It's only 8K. Guys, what time is it? What time is it right now? Do you guys know what time it is? It's AKA money time, guys. We just made $2,000. It's AKA money times. That's what's up. So congratulations to everybody who's following along, who's making money, who didn't get scammed by paying someone thousands and thousands of dollars, just to learn how to trade. And they're not even learning how to trade because the person they're learning from doesn't even know how to trade. This is the only place where you will get access to an actual working trading strategy, something that actually works over a long period of time, something that I do all of my trades live here in front of you guys, something that you literally didn't even have to pay me a penny for, and something where the person who's showing you this, which is me, is literally out here to benefit as many people as possible. Guys, how do you get started? Sober is saying just selling courses. Exactly. All of those other people are just selling courses. I literally have no course to sell. I literally have no way for you guys to send me money. There is no way. There's no way for you to send me money, and there shouldn't be. Now, guys, if you're in the Toronto, make sure you send me a DM. I just opened an office here in Toronto. I go there. I'm there 7 days a week. I do live trades there. I help everybody out. So feel free to come by. And guys, that was amazing. We literally just made $2,000 in the past 40 minutes. Mira is saying, where's the office? Join the Discord link in the bio and then go get started. Now, guys, go get access to the range bars right now. They run on all the markets. So they run on Forex, crypto, commodities and indices, and equity. So stocks as well. And then go get your account set up on Abado. You can trade all of the different markets here. Exactly. Steve, what's up, my man? How you